3-point lead, largest of the contest for UNE. Corner three or wing three is also good as Duhart hits that one from long range, the first one for the Bears of the afternoon. They say I think they're the only nor'easters for a mascot in the United States college system, as another bucket for Efratu. And speaking of steals, there's one for Jashante Wright McLeish. Gets it over to Fofo and Togun, and it lays it up and in for two. Back to Duhart, uncontested three, bingo.
Again, another shot that is, the moment he released it, great follow through, you knew it was going in.
Masic spots up for three, got it! Swung it around awkward for Klonchek. He'll reset with 14 on the shot clock. They're gonna feed around the perimeter, back out to the top. Klonchek now, he'll get his wing three, and it's raining three-pointers here from the pit. Jashante Wright McLeish, high bouncer, and a Togun though rips it down, counted in one. Fofo.
And so forth, you get your playing time.
Oh,
nice
what a pass
play.
to Pirovic by Turgin. Players from New England just to showcase and say, hey, look what I did against the team of the caliber of Maine. And Wright McLeish says, whatever you can do, I can do a little better. Is off in time? No. Well, they will, I guess. Just barely, but Masic making that null and void. Beautiful pass to Wright McLeish. Threading the needle from Masic to Wright McLeish. Still battling for it. Filipovic somehow comes out with a good play there. Now the three-pointer from Wright McLeish and just buries it there. Just what a series of events for the Pirovic. Reverse, can't get it through, but it's gobbled up, and Nanadic gets his first bucket of the contest. In shot clock currently. We'll see what the Blackbeards do on the half-court set. They're going for the alley-oop, and it connects. Iwakwabu rocks the rim after a beautiful assist from Masic.